Well, I never thought I would be putting in a full workday talking to a AI workforce replacement team of 6 employees. I got Linda in legal. Eva is my executive assistant. Sunny is on social. And I asked him, make me 365 days of posting to start. And then, let's see, who is that? Penny. Penny is over in blog posting. She does the blog. So the blog and the social are talking to each other, sharing creative. I approve all pictures. And then who else do we have? Eva, Penny, Sunny, Linda in legal. Oh, Stan. It's my brother's name, actually. This is a black guy, though. So Stan is over in sales, and he's handling posting on LinkedIn. We're going to see how that works out. He doesn't have a voice, but he does the email back and forth. And then, the receptionist. You get her phone number, post it all over everywhere, and force people to call that number instead of your 800 number. That's a big transition. And they call her, and she scraped my whole typing of 10 years on the website and put it into her brain. I think they call that knowledge base. They call it a knowledge base with this new agentic AI world that we are in. If you're not paying attention, you're already behind because everything changed just 2 weeks ago. Maybe that's when I found it. This group made a group of agents. And so anyways, I have them working for STL Professional Services International on stlpsi.com. And then once I got the hang of it, I was like, oh, I should use this for Melchizedek Ministries, which has been a dream and a vision building for 20 years. Cast the vision in 2023 after 2 years of building the website back in 21. And, trying to do everything at the same time is the rainmaker's dilemma. You run out of bandwidth in your day. You can watch that on my website under profitability coaching at stlpsi.com. Hover your mouse over services. Secret menu pops up 10 seconds later. Sorry, Wix sucks. It's slow, but just wait for it. It's worth it. It's free. If you have a membership, of course. But you can get a free membership and still watch it. And then let the 7-day trial go. If you're not impressed, it's okay. But we do want to coach you if you want to grow your business. So anyways, the AI agentic world is blowing my mind. And now they're working for the ministry, and we're making a documentary of every step. And we're also making a task list for each new ministry that comes online for exactly what we did. So you can just copy, let our ceiling be your floor. All right, so today's date is like March 4th, 2026. All right, just a quick check-in.